this is Bill Tainter doing a market review for a couple of days. This is from November 10th. We had a trade on a red bounce on the US yen. Look at this, sell from 77.84. And this is kind of exciting because every once in a while you get in the right place at the right time. Now look at this, guys. 2 pips from the top. 2 pips. And down it went, and it pulled off 10 right away, and then turns into end of the day trade. And I moved the stop down, and it's beautiful. So like I said, at the end of the day, I just was following it down with my stop loss, watching the other parallel pairs, the euro dollar inverse pair, and just keeping it tight, trying to squeeze out as much as I could. So here's, I got 75 pips, and now it's floating above there. And let me zoom in here and show you. See, so it came, I was hiding behind the thermal grids, came up to 77.03. Look at this, broke, did a retest, struggled, and now it's closing above there at the end of the day. So this was from a few days ago. Now let's just look at the recent trades. Last night, the 14th, this is today's Monday. So overnight, here's a trade that I set up. Price was above 37.28 on the euro US dollar, and that's a very, very big level. And so I set up a buy, caught a bounce, 14, 1 and 1, so that worked out well. Then look at how it broke, retested perfectly. Right there is your entry, right? We talk about this all the time. Trend is down. Look for a break of a cluster and sell at the retest. Perfect. Beautiful trade. Let's take a look at the Great Britain US dollar. Same things. It's above 60.44 is a big level on the Great Britain. We know that. And so I parked 60.49. I added 5 pips. Sure enough, look, comes down, punches right off of there. We pull 14, 21, and 1. I think total I ended up with 96 pips overnight. Yeah, that's not including the 75 on that gravy train. Look at this. Price is below 9,000. So I'm looking at the euro dollar is coming down to a level to bounce, and this is coming up to a level and bounce. So I parked it at 9,000. Look how it chopped between these two clusters. I hid behind here. Sure enough, it chops, 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 and then plunges hard. There was some news over here, so this must have been pre-news, and was able to pull off 1 and 2. Worked out great. And then the last one I had was Aussie New Zealand. Now this is painful because this is a ridiculous spread. I'll never trade this pair again. Look at this. At 15 and like 20, I got 8 and 3 because of the ridiculous spread. And I happened to be here and closed it out because this wouldn't let the order move because it had to be 20 pips away. Normally it's 5 pips, so I would have had to been up 20 to 25 pips profitable before it would go to break even. So I'm never trading Aussie New Zealand again on this broker. But anyway, so we had some really good trades. Total was 96 pips on this. So that's just a market review for Monday the 14th using red bounces and some heavy channel trading, we call it, on the 4 majors. So hope that helps to give you some other ideas on how we trade and what our approaches are. Keep watching for preview videos and review videos as we'll continue to teach you how to trade with the thermal grids. They're simply magical. All right, see you tomorrow.